In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set goals and objectives in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting up goals in Asana can be an incredibly effective way to keep your projects on track and ensure that everyone is aligned with your overall objectives. Let's get started. First things first, once you're logged into Asana, direct your attention to the left-hand side panel of your dashboard. This is where you'll find various sections related to your projects and tasks. Look for the Goals section and click on it. This will take you to the area where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Goals section, you will see a button that allows you to create a new goal. Go ahead and click that button. A configuration window will pop up, and this is where you'll be entering the details of your new objective. The first thing you want to do is enter a title for your goal. Make sure it's descriptive and concise. It should clearly communicate what the aim of this goal is. This is important because a well-defined goal will guide you and your team in the right direction. Next, you'll need to designate a specific goal owner. This person will be responsible for overseeing the progress and ensuring accountability for the tasks associated with this goal. Choosing the right person is key here, as they will champion the goal and encourage the rest of the team to stay engaged. Speaking of the team, the next step is to add relevant team members to your goal. This fosters collaboration and keeps everyone informed about what's expected. These team members can jump in with ideas or updates, and it ultimately creates a more cohesive working environment. Once your team is on board, it's time to select a clear time period for the goal. This really helps to maintain momentum and ensures that you're aligned with broader milestones in your organization. Whether it's a quarterly goal or something longer term, having a deadline will keep everyone focused. Now let's talk about privacy. You'll want to set the privacy level for your goal. Asana gives you the option to make the goal visible to the entire company or to keep it private. Make this choice based on your organization's culture and how much visibility you want your goals to have. When you've filled in all that information, it's time to finalize the initial setup of your new project objective. Click the Save Goal button to do just that. But wait, there's more. After saving, you should open the Progress settings. Here you can choose how you want to track success, whether you prefer to do this manually or through linked projects in Asana. This allows you to tailor the tracking process to suit your team's workflow. Finally, if your main objective requires more detailed tracking, you can add sub-goals. Just click on the plus sign and you can break down your primary goal into more manageable parts. This is especially useful for large projects where tracking smaller tasks can help guide you toward your main objective. And that's it. You can now check your result and see how your new goals are set up in Asana. So go ahead and dive in. Setting well-defined goals can make a world of difference for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.